This is ATWU women, the women of our, coming with the second welcome song, ATWU, presenting the welcome song to the same.
Today is gonna be a wonderful day. Today is gonna be a wonderful day.
Welcome song presented by ATWU women, led by Mrs. Chika Ibenwosu.
An enjoyment, many wonderful things. Full of joy and enjoyment, many wonderful things. Today is gonna be a wonderful day. Today is gonna be a wonderful day.
According to them, they said that today is gonna be a wonderful day. It's going to be great and wonderful. Yes. Exactly. That today is gonna be a wonderful day. That the Lord have made special in our.
Be a wonderful day. Oh, full of joy and enjoyment. Many wonderful days. Full of joy and enjoyment. Many wonderful
2024 New Year Festival of our ancient kingdom. As a matter of fact, it's a very beautiful day that the Lord have made. As a matter of fact, you can see the ATWU women presenting welcome song to the traditional ruler and our at large.
Many wonderful days, full of joy and enjoyment. Many wonderful days, full of joy and enjoyment. Many wonderful days. Today is gonna be a wonderful day.
You see? Ha ji obi ụtọ na-enye awa ekele na-asị ma ha bịala ndị awa niile ma ọ dị guests. Very sympathizing. Na ha ji obiọma na-enye ekele nye Chineke ekele n'iri ji ka afọ a ma ọ gara ọfụma ha na-ekele Chineke. A na-asị awa niile na ha na-ekele ha ụra niile na Chineke duru anyị bịa ga-edu onye ọbụla ala. Girmande bure